Sorry, these are just really hard to read. You can't imagine properly what that feels like. Somebody whose mental health struggles day to day as it is, the thought of having to have my children and my family in a hotel all winter over Christmas. It hits, doesn't it?
The hotel staff know that I don't have much money and I'm not well, so they tell me to take a few packs of cereal back to my room. It's the only thing I can actually make in the room. I know it's only a few packs of Weetabix, but at least it shows that they care. The human race is designed to care about each other, and something's gone very wrong.
Dwi'n diabetic, chi'n gweld. Fel arfer, dwi'n mynd I weld yn war I gael bwyd. Mae un coginio yn rhoi brechdannau fi i'r gofn y bydd angen I mi fita yn ystod y nos. Mae'n becso amdana I, a byddai ddim yn gallu dod o hyd I fwyd pan dwi angen ac y crafu argyfwng diabetig arall a gorfod mynd nôl i'r ysbyty.
It affects your mental health. I get panicky. I forget to take my medication because I'm stressed. I can't keep going the way I'm going. My state of mind is deteriorating.
Ro'n i'n timlo'n hunan ddinistriol. Do'n I ddim yn gallu cysgu. Ro'n i'n timlo fy mod yn faich. Dwi wedi bod mor ddigalon ac yn troi mewn cylchoedd. Mae un person yn dweud hyn a person arall yn dweud y llall. Ond does dim byd yn digwydd.
Because I haven't got a proper address. I'm missing letters. I'm missing appointments.